Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art.
Today we'll learn how to make a kitty cat. So for that you need a pencil, eraser, a marker, a paper and some paints. So let's get started.
So you take your paper vertically and then we'll start from the middle. So what I'm doing here, I'm making a curvy line over here first. Very good. And now see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make another curvy line going toward the left. So from here, go toward the left, and you'll do the same thing on the other side. Go toward the right and then come down, and you will connect here. Very nice. Good job. Now what we will do, we'll make the ears. So for the ears, I'm starting here, going upward and coming down. Make a curved line, pointy at the top and then come down at the bottom. Good job. Can you repeat the same thing on the other side? Make a curvy line going up, make a point here. From this point, we'll come back down here. Very good. Now I'm gonna make a same thing inside, but this will be less pointier. Can you repeat the same thing on the other side? Very nice. Good job, guys. Now for my cat, it will be closed eyes. So what I'm doing, I'm making a curved line here, another curved line over here, and then I'm making another second curved line next to it and connecting them. Very nice. And you can make some eyelashes here. So I'm making one curvy line going up, another one over here. Do the same thing on the other side, curvy line going up, two of them. Very good. Now I'll make the nose here. For the nose, I'm making a round shape at the top, like curvy round shape at the top, and little pointier at the bottom, little V shape at the bottom. Great job. Now from this part, I'm making a curved line going toward right and a curved line going toward the left. Very good. Now we'll make the whiskers here. So for that, making 1, 2, 3. 3 lines on the right side, and 1, 2, and 3. So 3 lines on the left side. Very good. Now we'll do the bottom part. So for the bottom part, I'm making a kind of a U shape here, and we'll go up and connect here. See, this is pretty much a little bit bigger than the face size. Very good. Now I'm making another U shape here and leave some gap over this area, and I'll make another U shape next to it. Very good. Great job. And if you want to make a curvy line here, and you can make any shape over here. There we go. Also, we forgot to do the tail. We need to do the tail. So for the tail, I'm doing it on the left side. From here, I'm going up, make a curve, and come back and connect here. Great job. All right, so we're done this part. Now, if you want to add a bow to it, you can do that. Or if you do not want to make a bow, you can skip that part. So I want to add a bow here. So for that, I'm making a little oval shape and then a heart shape on the right side, another heart shape on the left side. Then you make a half heart shape at the bottom, another half heart shape at this side. Okay, so now we are done with the sketching and I'm gonna use my Sharpie and I'm tracing all the lines I have over here. So make sure you go careful and trace all the lines you have inside your cat. Take your time, no need to be rushed, take your time. Great job. And you can just go all the way here, cross around. If you sometime what happen if it's like a very long area, it's really hard to go, like really hard to cover the entire thing. So you can do you can pause, you can take your time in between and then do the lines. That's absolutely okay. And now over here I'm tracing this line and making this beautiful eyelashes. So I'm almost done tracing the outline with my Sharpie. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my eraser and clean all those pencil lines I have. And if you want to add some heart shape, you can do that. I'm adding 3 or 4 of them. So I use my Sharpie on top of the heart shape and then I'm gonna erase the extra lines. So now I'm gonna color it. For the color, I'm just gonna use pink. Will not color too much here. So I'm just coloring inside the ears. Also kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link and I put it in the description. Very nice. You fill the entire area and then I'm going to take the pink and color the bow here. Please let me know how you like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it so you can see more videos like this. And I'm gonna take my yellow and color the nose with the yellow. And I'll take the red and color all the hearts with the red. Let's do 2 red and 2 pink. Maybe 2 red here and 1 over there and 1 over here. I'll make this one red. And I'll take a little bit of pink and color my other 2 hearts. Okay, I'm using a little bit more pink over here to make a tiny circle. I didn't told you to do it with the pencil because if you do it with the pencil, there will be some pencil lines. So that's why it just it's good to do without the pencil. Make it a little more bigger. Alrighty guys, so we're done with our cutie cat, and I'm gonna see you in my next episode. Bye bye. You guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.